Hiring new employees shouldn't feel like managing a mountain of paperwork. As your business grows, your HR problems grow even faster. Every day, the same questions, the same manual work. My salary? My documents? My attendance? What if AI handled everything for you? Attendance, leave, payroll, employee records, performance, reports, all managed in one intelligent platform. What once took 3 days now takes just minutes. Save time, reduce errors, improve productivity. Your HR team focuses on people, while AI handles the process. Transform your HR with DigiDARA People. Let AI manage the work so your team can grow the business.